What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of Redline Racing Garage. So as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, that's right guys, we pulled the trigger on our own shop. I'm super excited. This has been in the works for a while now, and also it is starting to get really chilly out there, and as you guys know, I don't have a lot of space at my house and in my garage, so I was looking for a storage, a heated storage, and some space to store the EK, the EG, and the 8th gen, maybe even the CLS. So I was looking online to see if I can find some storage, and there were a couple places, but they were asking a ton of money. So I did come across this shop, and what they're asking for rent here, to rent one of the hoists, and for the storage that I have for the vehicles, I can't go wrong guys. I have one hoist and we have about 2 to 3 cars of storage that we can keep here, and it is heated. We got access to tools, the compressor, basically everything in this shop we have access to. I am super excited. This way I can bring you guys a lot of great content over the winter time, and we can get a lot of things done in this shop. So right now I did want to just start off with doing a oil change on the EK just to get things started in the new shop. I'm super excited. Like I told you guys, this was in the works for a long time and I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I'm super excited. Finally got a shop with a hoist. Now we can go full blast guys. We can do anything that we want to. There's a lot of things that we can do in this shop, especially now that we have a hoist, and we can finally get our hands dirty and do a lot of work on the EK, on the 8th gen, and on the EG. Again, super excited guys. This is a huge step for me into finally getting to where I want to be. So like I said guys, in the winter time it is our downtime, and we gotta make these cars ready for the next racing season. It is about that time right now, so it is the perfect spot to get ready for the next racing season. So big changes are coming. As you guys can see, the first big change is getting a shop with a hoist. We can do whatever we want to do, and there are more changes coming up ahead. There is one little thing that I want to reveal to you guys and share with you guys. I'm super excited about this. Now I'm not sure if you guys will be, but you'll just have to tune in for the next video to find out exactly what it is. So stay tuned for the next one. But like I said, I'm super excited on this. We can finally get to do the things that I want to do and get our cars there a lot quicker. This way we don't have to wait on scheduling our cars in to get work done on them. Now if ever something happens at the track, we break something, basically anything, whatever happens, we have a shop to come back to. We have a hoist. We're gonna put it up on the hoist, get this thing fixed as soon as possible, probably in about a matter of days, and get back out there. This way, like I said, we don't have to wait around, and now we have access to everything, and I think we'll be more efficient this way. So again, super excited guys. This is the first step into the future and building something that I've always wanted to. So this is basically my side of the shop. This is my hoist right here and my little area here. I know it's a little bit messy. I got my toolbox in here and a couple of little things. I still got to bring a lot of stuff over from my garage, from my house. So yeah, this is my little section over here. I still have to kind of go and clean up and get all this stuff out of here. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but the lighting is pretty bad. I know that light is pretty strong, but I probably want to add a little fluorescent light over here just to kind of get some more light in the shop. But here it is guys, this is it. It is a little bit tight and also a little bit of a hassle, so I basically have to move all the cars that are behind me, but no big deal. In a matter of 5 minutes the cars are parked out and we have this bay right here. So this is our bay. Super excited to start working on the cars on the hoist. So for today's video, I did want to just do a quick little oil change on the EK. We took this thing to the track already twice and I haven't even done a oil change. So it is about that time. We're gonna do a oil change, and what better way to start doing some work on a car in the new shop with a oil change. There are still some things on the EK over here that I have to do to get the nitrous in there. Nothing too crazy. I still have to go and mount the bottle and run a couple lines, and also I have to put the bottle warmer, so I have a harness. We're gonna be doing that, but that's probably gonna be for tomorrow. So for today, I'm gonna get a oil change done. Alright guys, oil change is done. It is officially the first time using the hoist, and I'm super excited, guys. You guys have no idea what I have in store for you during this winter season. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff in this shop, and I can finally put out some great content now that we have a hoist, so super excited on that. I will be revealing to you guys what we have in store. That's pretty much going to be coming out in the next episode. I hope you guys are ready. We're going to be doing a ton of work in this shop and getting ready for 2023 racing season. And I just hope that it's going to be a better year and we can do some more great things with our cars. So that'll pretty much do it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.